What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Reddit stock, guys. So is Reddit gonna collapse from here? Like what are the potential other lows we are looking at? This thing has turned itself around, not just due to, well, there was a report, well, on the short side, but I think technicals then kind of catch on to the momentum or already from the structure that it broke over here. And then that report of the short that, Reddit is not worth this much where it is $75, has led the continuation of the momentum as well and is not showing any signs of stopping. So it has already broken the low today already and testing that area. So in this video, we'll talk about how, at this level, what type of positions or the price action is telling us and how this could be traded. So we'll talk about all of that stuff in this video, guys. Now, before we go further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I take guarantee of nothing. I'm just sharing my educational opinion, that's all. So Reddit, we gotta go to the hourly interval, and that's where the thing is. So before even that, I just wanna take a look at the swing bot. Yeah, so swing bot only gave one position on Reddit. That was pretty much the breakout of this area that we got, and I was talking about it as we get out of this trend line. There is definitely an upside you can expect. We got that move, and then we also got the sell signal on that. I mean, you can see the last 30 trades data here. I don't have to wait for all the way till the end of the, once the sell comes, I can always sell in the extensions. That's what I always do. But then since then, once we broke this structure, guys, that we were talking about, the $63 range, and we said that once this breaks, this is going to go to the downtrend. Now this has gone all the way tested today, this low, right? $44.29. That's where it's finding some bounce here. Now what do we make out of it? Is it a buy here, right? Well, we'll talk about all of that, guys. So yes, it's testing that all-time highs. That creates the possibility of this flushing as well lower than that, or this acting as a support. So what to even look for before taking any of those positions? So, well, before that, I just want to show you that once we form this head and shoulder pattern with the confirmation break below this blue box, the zone, and we got right shoulder, we flushed right on a strong candle here, the flush. So it has been constantly going down, downtrending, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It's not even showing any signs of potential upside right now. So before we even talk about the long on it, like Junior Trader, is this a place to buy? Well, you can do whatever you want and the stop loss has to be below that, but this is not a long play right now. Sure, intraday rebound is coming, and which my indicator is also saying here rebound. Other things are, you are seeing blank here because it's so young of a chart that the data takes a while before it loads up here. It gives it some more days. Reddit is just like a week old stock, right? Now with this, the rebound, does it makes it bullish? Well, no. Reddit is still in the downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, I just showed you. If Reddit can break out of $47.85 and 20 hours moving average, that may be a start of a bullish trend again. But because that's where the breakout structure is. Right now, the structure is telling us only the downside. It has a potential even if it comes at $47.85. And if you see a rejection here, this may continue lower. And which makes $44.36 a possibility of either acting as a flush zone. So remember, this can flush here, but the first flush I would only suggest that take it as a scalp play, because there could be a liquidity grab that may happen. You might see wick form at the bottom as well, right? Because a lot of stop losses are present down here, guys. This is where all the liquidity is. So be prepared that anything can happen at this level. So flush, if it comes, that's going to be a scalp play, and if we get bought back up, this may start to show some pressure up again to the upside. Now the thing is that, though, you can argue also that Junior Trader, I'm seeing something else here. I'm seeing that, oh, it's a bullish divergence. Now we are making lower highs, sorry, lower lows, and RSI is a little bit starting to stagnate there. Well, guys, for that, I would say the confirmation would be if it gets above $47.90. If it does that, can get above that, there might be a possibility of some long side plays that may possibly come. But otherwise, no. This thing is right now not bullish. This is still in the downtrend originally. Now, where do we have a possibility of this becoming a double bottom here, potentially a retest of this level? Well, for that, you have to see if this goes up, comes lower, and find support, right? You gotta see a support. And if we, again, it's the same level, $47.86. If we break above that, sure, this double bottom is confirmed. Otherwise, this can result into just a rebound and a flush as well. So this is the area where it's gonna pivot again. Okay, we have gotten to an area where Reddit is either gonna pivot much more to the downside with the flush, or may pivot to the upside of $47.90. But the breakout structure for that, we have to wait to see if that happens. Right now, it's in the downtrend, yes. So play with these levels and the sentiment as for what to look for Reddit. Yeah, and let's take a look at 5 minutes as well on Reddit. And yeah, looking super weak, still very weak. So this thing is having hard time doing anything. Go to the upside, yeah. No, yeah, guys, that's it, right? Tomorrow can define another move on Reddit, actually, either a continuation or a start of a support forming. So, but yeah, this was the move. And this move, if you have had short position, then it's the time to take good profits as well, because this is a pivotal time on Reddit. As I say, yeah, it can continue, but why not take some profits out, right? A little bit of profit should be taken. All right, so that's Reddit. I'll be doing other guys tech talks as well today, like always. Like, you know, I did NVIDIA already in the morning. I'll do another video on NVIDIA later once the market has closed and all of that. I just want to take a look at QQ and SPY while we are here. Let's go to the daily interval. And market is still open, guys. There's just a little bit over 30 minutes left for the market to close. So yeah, I have been saying that this, you know, is such a distribution phase for a month. Like QQ has done nothing but just stagnated over here. But it's not bearish right now. For any downside potential may only trigger on this, as if we lose this $440 level range, this area, the one that I have been saying. So, but until that is not happening, it's not bearish. SPY today gapped up. I'll show you on the pre-market session, and then it's then been you know, rejecting a little bit, right? Still above there. So, but it's not bearish. SPY is only going to be bearish if it breaks below $518. Then only SPY is bearish. Otherwise no. This thing still, you know, can keep going slowly and slowly keep traversing its way higher. You can see we gapped up in the pre-market, right? We had some data today, right? But I'll just work with the technicals, right? And we then sold off. So throughout the day, yeah, it's gonna take a while before it picks up the direction for the long term. But when I say long term, it could be down or short, right? But when I said the long term direction, not the long direction, so it's the time frame I'm talking here. Okay, dokie, guys. Well, that's all for this video. That's all I wanted to cover. And with that, if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.